Hello guys, today's lecture is tail recursion. A recursive function is tail recursion when recursive call is the last thing to be executed by the function. ध्यान से समझिए, इसका ये मतलब है कि अगर हमने कोड लिखा, ठीक है, कोड में अगर लास्ट थिंग हमारे पास मेथड कॉल हो रही है तो उसको हम कहेंगे टेल रिकर्शन. रिकर्सिव कॉल का मतलब होगा कि मेथड कॉल या फिर फंक्शन कॉल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी क्रिएट अ मेथड दैट इज प्रिंट, ठीक है, देन देर इज अ पैरामीटर दैट इज इंट n. इंट इज अ डेटा टाइप, n is a variable. If n is less than 0, then return the method, then system.out.println n. We are printing the variable n. Then again the method print is being called with a different parameter that is n minus 1. So here we can see the last thing is a method call. So that's why it is an example of tail recursion. Let's take another example, that is a factorial of number. Basically, we have already performed this factorial of a number in our playlist. So we take a method that is a fact and a parameter n. If n is equal to 0, then return 1. Else return n into fact of n minus 1. So again we are calling the method that is a fact with different parameter that is n minus 1. So we can see that in this code the method call is at last. So that's why it is a tail recursion. So the another example of the tail recursion is, we have already done this program that is a write a recursive function to print numbers from n to 1. So we create a method that is a rec with a parameter that is int n. Okay. At last we are calling the same method with different parameter. So the last thing is a method call. So that's why it is a tail recursion. Now we will do non-tail recursion. So here comes an example of non-tail recursion, that is a write a recursive function to print numbers from 1 to n. Okay, we create a method that is a fun int n, then if n is equal to 0, return the method, then we create a method, and the last statement is a print statement. We are printing a number. Since the last thing is not a method call, so that's why it is a non-tail recursion. Non-tail recursion is a recursion in which the last thing is not a method call. So thus we conclude that the tail recursion is much better than the non-tail recursion, because the tail recursion is much easier to understand and implement, whereas in non-tail recursion we need to use the stack, which makes it difficult. So thank you guys.